Alright, hey guys, this is Master Gamer 3001. I am doing a video unboxing over the Apple what do you call it? The Apple charger. How do I get this open? I guess that's how. Do I have scissors? Of course I don't have scissors. Hold on. Wait, actually, I don't need that. Just, alright. Alright, it's in there. I think I unboxed it wrong. Whatever. Alright, here. Sorry about the mess in the background. My desk is always that messy. Oh crap, speaking of desk, my charger, my laptop's in my backpack. Alright, so, let me read this real quick. This is just packing info. Put that aside. Here it is. It has a lot of heft to it. iPhone Lightning dock. I got the gold to match my iPhone. It says it right there. Hold on, let me focus. Gold. I mean, not gold. Dock. In 3 different languages, so. Yeah. Here's the pull tab. Okay. Sorry if it got blurry. Come on. There we go. And of course it was upside down. Great job, Apple. What's in here? You get your warranty crap like usual. Here is the device, the charger, wrapped in its new design, like the new iPhones coming out. It's like a, what do you call it? Not a clear, but it's like a, I don't know, whatever. So let's open it. Wow, interesting. So it has this rubber feel, so you know it doesn't slide. Here is the dock right there, the lightning port, and on the back there's a headphone jack and another lightning port so you can charge it. Alright, so let's head over to here. Okay. I don't have my iPhone 6 is charging right now, or on the tripod, so let's try it with this. Okay. I think I have an extra iPhone charger laying around. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? I needed that. For real? What? Anyways, I don't know what happened to the power brick. I just had it on my charger and I took it off and I tossed it somewhere and it's not here. Hold on, let me double check. Okay, found it. Alright, so obviously you got your charger. Charger right here. Plug it in to the wall outlet or whatever. I could have just done it over there, but whatever. Plug it in like that, and I'll have to rearrange this, but I'll show you guys. Okay, yeah, you can tell it is charging because this is dead. Alright, and oh crap. This, you can charge it. You can charge your iPad mini, iPad Air, whatever, any iPads or any products that have the lightning port. So that's basically it. I'll have to rearrange this, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.